These two aggravate me about going to a pool. I ain't going to no pool. They better use them water guns. Come tell the channel hello. Say, come tell the channel hello.
Okay. Hey y'all, we're about to do the video. And we probably want to go fight. And then I'm Yana. Ayana.
She got wet. Is the water still cold?
Yeah, it feels good.
Y'all, it's this time of the year. Max don't like this time of the year. It's hot. Max, tell the channel hello. Say hello, Max. So I'm gonna give y'all an update on the garden. We're doing romaine lettuce. And actually, that's the head from the romaine lettuce that we're growing, and this is one we already started. But got cantaloupes, cucumbers, strawberries, corn is coming up, sweet potatoes.
Alright. Okay. Well, yeah, sure.
This something my daughter planted in here. I don't know what it is. Something she planted. And now I don't know what she planted in here. I can't remember. And I told her to put something in it so we'll know. She can't even remember. Here goes some more lettuce.
Okay, cut. This water. Cut.
Carrots. Broccoli. It's just a day outside in this beautiful sun. Ayana, say hi to the channel. Max, say hi. Max.
But this water smells like pool water. Huh? This water smells like pool. Oh, my hair!
Y'all make sure y'all like, comment, and comment down below some ideas of some more cooking reviews or some games that you would like for us to do.
I couldn't see my eyes burning. What did I do? Hey y'all. As y'all see, I'm winning. What are you not right now? Sam. You suck. Hey up. Y'all finna see how I'm about to get her. But as y'all know, hello. Oh! I had a great morning so far. And then we ended up doing this. It's cold. Ah! It's cold. Shut up.
They're all over the place right about now.
Okay, I'm back. Oh, no. Okay. So I just wanted to say Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Turn the post notification bell if you are not. And I don't know why Leah hasn't said hey to y'all yet. Come say hi.
Ooh, wet me up.
I'm gonna write it. Hi. My day has been amazing ever since that one got here. And she just wrote hi in the air with a water gun. And then Max wants to go outside because it's hot. Can I cool you down, Max? Today, we're having a water gun fight. I love y'all.